Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious menu, so let's dig in this because I'm hungry. Hi guys! So today we have this delicious food. I made it myself. I cured the salmon, I made the rice. So let's dig in. So we have salmon with rice, seaweed layers, more salmon, cucumber, my ginger pickle, sauce, and my beverage, which is aloe vera, pineapple, or aloe vera, yeah, aloe vera, pineapple, so good. Oh, I was craving this. So yes, I cured myself the salmon, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm very excited. I hope the rice is not, let's see, because the rice was very kind of, oh, let's see. The salmon is so good, they melted in my mouth. So good. Let's see. Let's see. So good. Guys, this is so good. Cheers. Wow, so delicious. Anyway, I have great news for all those subscribers who they've been asking so bad. They want Costa Rican dishes. Today I went to the Asian market and I was able to buy my ingredients. So tomorrow I want to make Costa Rican olla de carne, which is a soup with a lot of vegetables. Pretty good. Wow. I'm telling you guys. So this is just a regular salmon you can find like in your grocery store. And you cure it. So I paid $6 for all these pieces. And it's pretty easy to cure. And the taste is unbelievable. The flavor is so rich. No fishy at all. Wow, guys. If you want to know how I cured these guys, it's very easy. you put in a bowl, 1 part sugar, 1 part salt, kosher salt, and with fresh water, mix it really well until the salt and the sugar dissolve. When they dissolve, so you cut your pieces the way you want it, bigger, smaller, that's up to you. But if it's para this type of thing, it's better like something like this. But this pretty much depends on you. So when it's cut, you want to put from 4 to 4 pieces in the water and leave it there for 4 minutes. Mm. 4 minutes. When the time goes by, you take them out, put it in a plate with oh my god, today I'm terrible. With a kitchen paper, whatever. Put the pieces there until they dry or remove a little bit of water, and keep going until all the pieces are cured. Put it in the fridge for a few minutes, and then when you're ready to put together this, just take them out, cook your rice for sushi. That's it. Super simple, super cheap, super goody. Amazing. So today I have a very busy day. I went to, in the morning I have to go to the clinic, the sleeping clinic, for some things, for a favor. And then I drove to my Asian market, and then I came home, I prepare all these guys, I take my dogs out. So yeah. Wow. I love this so much. My favorite snack ever. So good. So yeah, tomorrow, Costa Rican dish. Don't miss out. Oh guys, this is good. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. Mm-hmm. So I hope everybody's taking care of yourself, eating healthy, walking a little bit, be safe when you go to the public places, use the right things. Every time I go out, I have my mask, my gloves. Yeah, I try to be as careful as possible. So good. So good. Let's see. So good. So tomorrow I wanna try to do the carne Costa Rican dish mukbang, and then I have another one I will try to do on Wednesday, one which is pork belly wraps, Korean barbecue, and let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, and I have Colombian picada for Thursday. Today I'm so excited because I found a lot of recipes that usually you need for do the picada, and I got it. So I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. So happy to find all my ingredients today. I know people like just excited for ingredients. I'm a mom, dude. I mean, I don't have kids, but I like to cook like moms cook. No. Why you do this? Why you decide to do this to me? Come over here. Let's see. I was trying to be all fancy in things. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh no, this is my last one. Let's see if I can make it all complete. Oh. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments below what other kind of things you want to see me eating, and I will be more than happy to do it. That was fast. So anyway, I hope to see you guys in the next delicious video. Like always I said, I hope you have a wonderful week next to the people you love, and see you soon again tomorrow in another delicious mukbang. Bye guys!